Yes, we have 6:29 to 7:14. Yes, we draw first the number line. It is yes. Let's draw the starting time 6:29. Okay. Yes. First we get to our next hour. So 6:29 to next hour, which is 7 o'clock. So from 6:29, how much it will take to get 9 to 7 o'clock? Remember, the strategy was let's count in tens. 29, 39, right? Next would be 49. And next would be 59. It will be like, very close to the 7 o'clock. And now we need to count the ones to get 7 o'clock. So 59 plus 1, I think it will make 7 o'clock, right?
Yes.
So how many minutes?
31.
Yes, 31 minutes exactly. So it means it will take 31 minutes to get 7 o'clock, right?
Yes.
Yes, we have reached our next hour. So now let's get to our ending time. And our ending time is 7:14. So how many minutes will it take to get 7:14?
14 minutes.
Yes, 14 minutes. So our total elapsed time is?
45 minutes.
Exactly, it will be 45 minutes. You are absolutely right. Yes, let's go to the next. Okay, it says it's 1:51 to 2:26. Remember, student, our steps are first we draw our number line, and we're also supposed to draw our starting time, which is 1:51. We're supposed to find the elapsed time from 1:51 to 2:26. So after that, our next step is from starting time. Yes, from our starting time to get to the next hour. So 1:51. How much it will take to get 1:51 to 2 o'clock?
9 minutes.
Exactly, 9 minutes. And now from 2 o'clock to our ending time, it will be 2:26.
26 minutes.
26 minutes. And what is the total elapsed time?
35 minutes.
Oh, what's a coincidence? The same answer again. Let us confirm it. Yes, we are right.